Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to allow an app with contact access permission in iPhone. So first go to settings. Now from here scroll down and find the app you want to grant access. For example WhatsApp. Tap on it. Now from here tap on contact option. If ensure the contact option is turned on. For example here WhatsApp. If it is turned off, make sure it is turned on. And if the contact option is missing, uninstall the app and reinstall the app from App Store. For example, if the contact app is missing, simply tap on WhatsApp and delete it. Tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, locate the app and tap on Offload app or delete app and reinstall it again to fix the problem. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.